In this video, we will discuss about the different kinds of right, moral and legal. So first, let's discuss what is rights. Rights are necessary condition for the personal, social, economic, political, mental, and moral development of individuals. So in short, rights always help people to develop their personal life. Rights is very important, essential part of individual life within the society. People's rights are the universal demands that every civilized society acknowledge as necessary for their growth, and as a result, the state enforces.
Definition of legal is something connected to a law or government system of rules, recognized or enforced by law rather than equity. For me, the definition of legal is whether it is acceptable or permissible under official rules. Example, the type of action that will be decided by a court.
Good evening guys, I'm Rudy Sabasa Divina and I'm Bachelor of Electrical Technology, major in Electrical Technology. For this video, we will discuss the difference between law and morality. Let's start. Law versus morality. Law. System of rules which a particular country or community recognizes as regulating the actions of its members, and which it may enforce by the imposition of penalties. Enforced by the ruling bodies of a country, state, or community. Creates the constitution of country. Influenced by morality. There are direct punishment for those who violate the law, and direct the rule with punishment. So, in this morality, set of ethical principles that define what is morally wrong, and there is no such significant body to enforce moral codes. There is not direct connection with the Constitution. Emerge before the ideal set of laws. There are no such enforced direct punishment for those who do immoral acts. Can be followed or not according to the person's choice. So, the main difference between law and morality is law and morality is that law refers to the set of rules and regulation enforced by the state to regulate the human behavior in society, whereas morality refers to the ethical code of conduct for a human being. Thank you.
Good day, my name is Christian Praga Belen of Bachelor of Engineering Technology, major in Electrical Technology, and now I'm discuss similarities of legal and moral rights. What is the similarities of legal and moral rights? First, they provide both social organization, meaning that they shape how people behave, and moral, what is considered socially acceptable. Second, cohesions, keep people safe and happy. Also, they help people interact more cohesively and aim to protect individuals from harm. The cohesion is mutual moral support, which instead of throwing the individual on his own resources, lead him to show in collective energy and support his own when exhausted. Lastly, agreement. Same stance on some action. They accept or discourage many of the same actions. A moral clause within contract is used as a means upholding the individual or party to a certain behavioral standard. For example, from a legal and moral standpoint, drunk driving is unacceptable. Di ba pag nakainom hindi naman talaga pwede mag-drive dahil baka maaksidente o ano pang masamang mangyari sa daanan. That's all. Thank you.
Hello everybody, this recorded presentation is all about morals. By the way, I am Kina Andrea at Trapani from EET Elect 1A. Morals are the prevailing standard of behavior that enable people live cooperatively in groups. Moral refers to what society sanctions as right and acceptable. Most people tend to act morally and follow societal guidelines. Morality often requires that people sacrifice their own short-term interests for the benefit of society. People in entities that are indifferent to right and wrong are considered immoral, while those who do evil acts are considered immoral. While some moral principles seem to transcend time and culture, such as fairness or generally speaking, morality is not fixed. Morality describes the particular values of a specific group at a specific point in time. Historical morality has been closely connected to religious traditions, but today is one. Example, business and government agencies that have ethics. Moral are the principles that guide individual conduct within society, and while moral may change over time, they remain standard of behavior that we use to judge right or wrong.